Everyone is talking about AI content generation. You can create incredible images, videos, and even entire commercials in minutes. But here's the problem. Generating content isn't the hard part anymore. The real bottleneck is everything that comes after. Organizing files, transferring them to your phone, managing multiple social accounts, and repeating the same publishing process every single day. Today, I will show you how to build an AI content factory, and for that I'm using GeeLark to see if we can actually automate the entire workflow. So this is what my normal workflow looks like. I generate a script with AI, create images, and then turn those images into videos. I edit everything together and export the final result and upload it to cloud storage. I grab the virtual phone and finally publish it. The hard part is that if I'm posting to multiple platforms or managing multiple accounts, that process quickly becomes repetitive and time consuming. And AI has made content creation faster, but publishing and scaling these workflows is surprisingly manual. GeeLark approaches the problem differently. Instead of just being another AI generation tool, it combines AI content creation, cloud phones automation, and account management into a single platform. What stands out immediately is the feature of cloud phones. Think of these as Android devices running entirely in the cloud, and you can directly control them from your computer. Each phone is isolated, meaning it has its own applications, accounts, settings, and environment. If you ever consider buying multiple phones to manage different brands or social media accounts, this is a much cheaper and cleaner solution. So let's go ahead and build a complete workflow. I will start by generating content using GeeLark's built-in AI models, and instead of jumping between different websites, I can create images and videos within the platform. And once the content is ready, I don't need to transfer it physically to a phone because everything is available on my cloud device inside GeeLark. So I will create multiple cloud phones, one for YouTube Shorts account, another for TikTok. Now this is the favorite feature, that is the automation. Instead of manually opening each application and repeating the same action every day, GeeLark allows us to automate this publishing workflow. This is the real unlock for agencies and teams that also get a centralized project management and permission system that makes it easy to collaborate without physical devices. At this point, it stops feeling like an AI generator and it starts to feel like an operating system for AI content production. So after using GeeLark, here's what honestly I think about it. The biggest strength is consolidation, meaning instead of combining 5 or 6 different tools, GeeLark brings AI generation, cloud phones, automation, and multi-account management together in a single place. And within a single desktop application, I can control all of the devices I need. The only downside is that the cloud phone concept is somewhat complicated and most people don't know it. So there's a little bit of a learning curve. And if you're creating content for fun, maybe some of the automation features GeeLark has might be more than what you need. So the question is, who should use GeeLark? If you're an AI content creator producing content every single day, a social media manager with multiple account management, or an agency that manages content for several clients, this platform makes a lot of sense. If you only upload occasionally, it might be overkill. If your biggest bottleneck is organizing, publishing, and scaling your content, and not generating, GeeLark solves this problem, and most AI tools completely ignore it. It's less about creating AI content and more about building an AI content factory. If you like to check it out yourself, in terms of pricing, GeeLark is not very costly. You can test it out for free with 2 profiles, and you can also get its base version for $9.75 per month, which is for small teams and professionals that want to work efficiently. There's a link in the description below to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.